Hi everybody, it's Bryan from Custom Classics. Here behind me we have a beautiful 1967 Mercedes 250 SL that we just finished. Took us just a little bit over 2 years to complete this project. This car came to us from one of our customers whose father purchased this car back in 1971, used, and he purchased it for his wife. Tyler tells us a little bit of a story of one time his dad noticed they had taken the car out, even though he neatly had parked it right where it went, but he forgot that the odometer read an extra 300 miles. From that point on, his father moved the car down to the Florida home and kept it there. After Tyler's father had passed away, the car had sat for 20 plus years while he put kids through college and all that other fun stuff. Well, now is his time and brought the car in. He kind of dove in on the project and started it himself, which didn't go so well. And then he decided he and his son-in-law were over their head, so he abandoned ship and looked us up, and here we are. Everything on the car was refinished from interior to chrome. Even the engine and drivetrain was completely gone through on this one. This being a 250, the 250s are becoming more popular because, as you know, the 280 SLs are climbing out of price range if you're looking at a fully restored one. This particular car, the engine was pulled out and taken up to Don's in Kenosha, Wisconsin, and they completely redid the head and the entire engine. The transmission was taken up to Advantage Trans in Woodstock, Illinois, and they redid the trans on this one. Everything else was done in-house. The chrome plating, we use Speed Sport and Chrome down in Texas, and as you can see, they did an unbelievable job on the chrome work on this thing. And paint on this, as well as all of our cars, is with Glazerite. It's a base coat clear and wet sanded and buffed slick. Key thing on these cars, for me anyways, is attention to detail. These cars should already have beautiful gaps, so they shouldn't be tough to straighten out. Sometimes if they've been massaged or hit in the front, then you've got a little bit of work. But this one came to us with very nice gaps. The interior was completely redone by Cass & Customs up in Woodstock, Illinois. So it's got some beautiful seat covers, the correct carpet, the wood and dash and everything else. It also has a new soft top that we put in it. But there it is as a whole. Car's been outfitted with new brakes, new tires, all the way around a nice, beautiful stainless exhaust system. So underneath, this car is just as beautiful as you're seeing. Let's take a look underneath the hood, because that's worth showing off. These are, if they're restored nice, under the hood they are gorgeous. All the correct anodizing was done under the hood. On this one, the fuel injection was completely rebuilt and sent out. All of the master on this one also restored and sent out and back. It's wearing itself a new radiator and cooling on this one. So under the hood it's detailed enough, highly I would say, so he can take it out to just about any show he wants and show this off very proudly. Some of the things that, normally when these things get tired and old, we have another black one in there that's in the process right now. The engines get dull and cruddy looking. So there you have it, a beautiful 1967 Mercedes 250 SL. Came out absolutely gorgeous. So check us out on all our socials, and you can visit us at customclassics.net as well.